This watch is a OSCO steel. It's a quartz watch. I carried it, used it a lot in my teens. It was sitting almost 20 years in a drawer. I ripped out the crown and the stem. That's the reason why it didn't work anymore. And recently I decided to repair it by myself, and in this video I will show you how I did it.
These are the movements I bought online. They are ETA movements with the number 805.114. I bought 3 of them and together they cost me 11 euros. That's with cost for shipping. So each one far less than 3 euros. It's ridiculous how cheap they are. I used the stem from one of these movements as a replacement for the missing stem in my watch, because the movement in my watch turned out to be still working.
I already replaced the stem because I lost stem and crown, but the stem doesn't really go out of the casing. I hope that this one of these crowns will fit. I opened the back. I already opened it once and didn't tighten it when I closed it, so I can open it just with my hands. There's the stem. I'm right now just trying one of the crowns if it fits. I take this one of this one with a long with something long sticking out. I hope that this will compensate for the short stem. I just try to screw it on top of it. Yeah, it screws on. It screws. It actually screws. I can pull it out, but I have to tighten it still. Okay, that looks nice. Perhaps I should try a crown which doesn't have this extrusion like this one. I have no idea if this works. Oops. I'm not a watchmaker, I have no idea about watches, but this is a cheap watch and I know it doesn't work. I try this one. No. I need to use one where the this thing is sticking out. And I'm missing not much. Oh, it looks strange, but I will unscrew this stem. The real watchmakers now will say it doesn't use gloves. No, I don't use gloves. Now I will tighten the crown on the stem. And I will do it the Russian way. You know? Short and painful. There is actually a proper tool to do this, but I don't own this tool and I have no plans purchasing it. You see? Okay, I think I tightened it. Let's have a look if this is working. Let's have a look. Yeah, that works. You see that? I can move it in both directions. Now we have a few minutes after 4 o'clock. And it's the 17th. Okay, that's it. But I don't think that the crown is now watertight. I'm pretty sure it's not. Well, but I think I will leave it like this because I don't know. I should shorten the stem a little bit, I guess. Maybe I will do that, but not today. For today, the job is finished. There's actually a tool to close this thing. Let's see if I can do that. I don't have to tighten it really because the watch is not watertight. No matter how strong I will close the back, the crown is open like a gate. Doesn't matter. Whew. I will rip out this stem again. It looks strange, but I purposefully took a yellow one, not a silver one, because I wanted to have some kind of contrast. Maybe so that I remember to take care of the crown, don't rip it out again. This watch. I didn't wear this watch for ages. I think it's almost 20 years since I wore this watch the last time. It looks nice. Somehow. A little bit strange. But it's okay. Okay, that's it. Bye.